Good morning. My name is ELIZANILDA RAMALHO. I am tenured professor at Federal University of Paraíba. I work at Agrarian Center and work with breeding vegetable crops. Last year, I went in a work mission at the University of Georgia, Tifton campus, in order to optimize drip irrigation for the Caatinga area. Is a semi-arid area in Brazil. I worked with Professor André da Silva. He is the head of the extension vegetable team. After the work mission, I stayed at UGA for 1 year more, teaching the vegetable team to work with real-time PCR analysis. I think this is all. Thanks for your attention.